Well, thank you, Rob, and welcome everyone to this first ever virtual open house. I wish this wasn't necessary. I wish that you could come and walk our breathtakingly beautiful campus and meet face to face with our students, our faculty and staff. A faculty that instructs and inspires our students, a staff that sprints from the crack of dawn till late at night to help our students succeed, and wonderful young men and women, our students, who bring our campus alive with their energy, their enthusiasm, and their intellect. Over the course of 4 nights, we offer you an opportunity to hear from the deans and the academic leaders of the university, to hear more and learn more by listening and by asking questions about the quality of our academic programs, and also hear about student life and other important activities on our campus. And I know at the end of this evening, Dean Rob Lang will offer each of you the opportunity to schedule an engagement with some representative of our campus. It might be one of the deans that you hear from tonight. It might be a leader in an academic discipline that you might want to pursue. It might be a conversation about our incredible marching band, or athletics, or the President's Leadership Program, or the Honors Program. We would encourage you to take advantage of those opportunities. Christopher Newport is a precious place. Thousands and thousands of students each year apply. They come, they stay, they flourish, and they graduate. We celebrate having one of the highest graduation rates in America. And our students go out and they change the world.